I tell you, one quick way to have your vacation go completely sideways on you is to get to a cruise port or be on the cruise ship somewhere where you have no cell phone reception. You pull out your bank card or your credit card only to have it declined because your bank thinks that fraud is being committed. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, we are 29 days away from our next cruise. So what I thought I would do is each day as we count down to our cruise, we are going to provide one cruising tip to get all new cruisers or even existing cruisers tips that will make their cruise that much better, that much easier, and take away some worry and some hassle. So here we go. Day 29, and today's cruise tip is going to be inform your bank of your travel plans. So if you are going to be using a debit card or a credit card, you definitely want to inform that bank or that credit card company of your upcoming travel plans. What a lot of the banks and card companies do now is if there's something hits your account that looks odd, it looks funny, you know, they send you that text message that says, hey, fraud alert, is this you? Yes or no? And if they don't get a response, they assume that it's fraud and they will shut your card off. Now, if you're here in the United States, that's not a super big deal because your phone, of course, is going to receive the text message. But if you're out at sea or you're in a foreign country somewhere, you may not get that text message. You may have your card turned off and declined, and you will have no way of contacting your bank unless you let them know ahead of time that, hey, I'm going to be on a cruise. It's going to these locations on these dates. That way, they don't do that to you. It's real easy. It's real simple. You can either call them, or in most cases, like my bank, I can simply get online, put a travel advisory in there for them, and I won't have any issues or problems. And I speak from personal experience when I tell you this does happen. Now, luckily, I was only up in Montana, but I was driving back to Texas. I stopped to get gas, pulled out my debit card, and it was declined because my bank had tagged it for a fraud alert because my card's never used in Montana before. I didn't even notice the text message that they sent, and it took me a couple minutes to figure out before I finally looked at my phone and said, oh, responded yes to it, and then my card worked. But like I said, I was able to get that message because I was here in the United States. So a very important tip, let your bank know about your travel plans. That way you don't have any financial issues while you are out enjoying your vacation. All right, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, let's give it 2 thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.